Good day, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be doing an introduction to culture media. Now, what is culture media and why is it important in microbiology, study of microorganisms? Now, we know that culture media are preparations. They are chemical preparations. They could be natural, they could be synthetic, but they are preparations that favor and encourage the growth of microorganisms. We want to grow microorganisms, we want to put them on substances that are going to encourage their growth. So this is what culture media are, and they encourage the growth of bacteria, they encourage the growth of fungi, they can encourage the growth of some viruses. So any preparation that encourages the growth of microorganisms is what we refer to as a culture media. And the culture media could be in the form of a solid, it could be in the form of a liquid, it could be in the form of a semi-solid, and it could also be synthetic in nature. Now, when we say, let's start with liquid. When we say liquid media, we usually refer to it as broth. And this is any preparation that is in liquid form that helps to encourage the growth of microorganisms. So there are many diverse different types of liquid media. We have nutrient broth, we have citrate broth. These are all examples of media that are in liquid form and they encourage the growth of microorganisms. You can inoculate microorganisms into this media and they'll grow. Now you have the liquid media, which is called broth. You also have the semi-solid media. Now these are the media that, just like their name implies, they are semi-solid. They are not as hard or as solid as what we call solid media, and they are not actually in liquid form. They are more of in the form of a gel, but they also encourage the growth of microorganisms. So examples of the semi-solid media include the mannitol motility agar and the sulfide indole motility agar. Most of these semi-solid agars are used to determine motility. If we want to study the ability of a bacteria or a fungi or any organism to move, we can study that using a lot of these semi-solid agars, or not agars, semi-solid media, which we use to study all these phenomena. Now, the third one are the solid agars or the solid media. These are media that have been solidified using a material we call agar. Agar is a plant-like gelatinous material which is used to solidify culture media, and is used because it is microbiologically inert, meaning that it has no effect on bacteria. It doesn't encourage them, it doesn't discourage them. So it is used to solidify media. So we have agar is the major substance that is used to solidify different kinds of media. So we have different kinds of media: our EMB, our Simon citrate agar, our Sabrad agar. So many of them are all in the solid form, and this is important to know. Now, we also have what we call simple media and what we call complex media. When you have a general purpose media, or a media which the chemical constituent is known, we know what is in the media, we refer to it as a simple media. Meanwhile, a complex media is a media that we do not know the chemical composition. It has a lot of, it could have yeast extracts, it could have meat extracts, it could have proteins, many different things that the composition is not chemically defined, is not well known. We talk of that as a complex media. So we've discussed what a culture media is. We've discussed the different types: solid, liquid, and semi-solid. We've also discussed complex and simple media. Thank you for listening to this and have a wonderful day.